Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and unplug the unit, then remove the dust cover. You need clear access. Lift the platter straight up, note any orientation marks, because the belt rides in a specific groove. Once the platter is off, inspect the old belt for cracks, stretch, or missing segments. These tell you if replacement is necessary. Replace with a correct size belt. Using the wrong diameter alters speed. Keep parts organized so reassembly is smooth. You'll fit the new belt by stretching it over the motor pulley first, then easing it onto the platter rim. This sequence prevents slippage during placement. Make sure the belt sits evenly in the platter groove without twists, because twists cause wobble and speed variance. Once seated, rotate the platter by hand several times to seat the belt and check tension. You want slight give but no sag. If your model has a tensioner, position it now to match manufacturer specs. Replace the platter carefully, making sure orientation matches the marks you noted. Then lower the dust cover and reconnect power. You must test speed. Use a strobe disc, a phone app, or a known 33.1/3 record to verify correct rotation. Small adjustments to belt seating or tension change pitch. If you hear slippage, motor whine, or uneven rotation, stop and check pulley alignment and belt size versus spec, because misalignment or wrong
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.